What's up, guys? We're back. We're harvesting. This is a Zutano, and we're enjoying Zutanos and bacons right now. So some of you may say, well, how do you know when avocados are ready to kind of pick and enjoy? So what I do is I look at the stem where it goes into the fruit. If it starts to turn yellow, kind of like that, it's essentially pretty much ready to go. Also, there's other little characteristics. Let me show you this is my bacon. We're enjoying bacons also right now, harvesting them and enjoying them. So let me see if I can, I'll go a little slower, but here's a nice sized bacon that's up there. Let me see if I can zoom in. You see that little stem that goes into the avocado? It's yellow, it's turning yellow, which means it's pretty much ready to go. Also, the skin gets a little dull, so I zoom back out a little bit, versus a really shiny skin. So that to me means it's pretty much ready to go. And we have some that, like this, it's the stem's yellow, but I also have some where the stem's still kind of green. Let me show you some of that. All right, this one, you can see the stem's a little bit more green, so it's not necessarily ready, but a lot of them are starting to turn yellow, so that really is a sign that it's pretty much ready. So also, when you see it like turning yellow, kind of like this, if you just bend it and twist, it just pops. So I like to do that. Actually, I like to keep a little bit on there because it helps allow the avocado to ripen evenly. So that's something that you guys should do also. I know some people will pick it all the way down, clean down by the fruit. Don't do that. Leave a little piece like this. It's going to help your avocado to ripen very evenly and much better. So this is a bacon right here. All right, picking. It's one of my biggest ones. Let's see how much it weighs. All right, weight 13.1 ounces. Okay, so this one was 14.6. Both of these are bacons. So this is by Zutano, 12.5 ounces. Good size. All right, so these are bacons. These are Zutanos. So we're gonna give some away to some friends and neighbors and enjoy some of them ourselves, all right? So it's December. I know some of you guys that are in Southern California are not harvesting your bacon right now, and that's okay because we're all in a little bit of a different area depending on where you're at. Even in Southern California, there's different little microclimates. And for me, I actually had, this is my bacon by the way, so this bacon started flowering in like December. So I essentially just count the months that the fruit's been on the tree. So 9 to 10 months, it's ready. And this year, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna try to extend the season out to January. Last year, I only had 3 out of this whole tree. So the 3 that I had, it started splitting in December, so I had to pick it. It was pretty much ready to go. It's either split it and let it go bad, or pick it in December and enjoy it. So, considering that this flowered earlier in the year compared to last year's harvest, I think that these are ready right now, and they're pretty good. So we still got lots, so we'll do little by little, pick a couple here and there every couple days and kind of just enjoy them, you know. So I'm going to see if I can extend the season a little bit more into January, But considering from now till January, we're gonna enjoy a couple here and there. We should have enough to be able to last us. So that's gonna be a good thing. So hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. And stay hydrated. All right, talk to you guys later. See ya.